Importance of analytics for project managers and senior executives. Analytics is crucial for project managers and senior executives as it enables data-driven decision-making, optimizing project outcomes and strategic planning. By leveraging analytics, leaders can identify trends, mitigate risks, and allocate resources more effectively. Project management analytics. Project managers can leverage analytics to monitor progress, identify trends, and optimize resource allocation. By utilizing analytics tools, project managers can forecast risks and opportunities, enabling proactive decision-making to mitigate risks and capitalize on opportunities. Executive decision-making. Executives can use analytics to identify areas of growth, assess market demand, and allocate resources effectively to capitalize on opportunities. By utilizing predictive analytics, executives can anticipate market shifts, customer preferences, and competitive threats, enabling them to stay ahead of the curve and maintain a competitive edge. Data-driven leadership. Data-driven leaders prioritize evidence-based decision-making, relying on data and analytics to validate assumptions, identify trends, and drive organizational performance. Analytics enable leaders to measure the impact of their decisions, track progress towards goals, and adjust strategies based on real-time data and feedback. Business intelligence tools. Business intelligence tools enable users to access real-time data, create custom reports, and visualize analytics in a user-friendly interface. By leveraging business intelligence tools, organizations can streamline processes, optimize workflows, and identify areas for improvement to enhance overall efficiency and productivity. Performance metrics for managers. Performance metrics help managers set goals, track progress, and evaluate the effectiveness of strategies and initiatives within their teams. By measuring performance metrics, managers can identify top performers, recognize achievements, and provide coaching and support to team members who may be struggling. Conclusion. In conclusion, analytics play a pivotal role in project management and executive decision-making by providing valuable insights, predictive capabilities, and data-driven strategies that enhance organizational performance and drive sustainable growth. By embracing a data-driven approach, leaders can navigate complexities, capitalize on opportunities, and lead their organizations to success in an ever-evolving business landscape.